Delicious Cocoa Crunch with whole grains. Get a free Despicable Me 3 photo clip for your pictures and selected Nestle.
For the company's overview, Nestle is the undisputed global leaders in the fast-moving consumer goods industry. Heavily operated across 188 countries, Nestle manages a massive product portfolio that includes household favorites like Milo, Nescafe, Kit Kat, and Maggi. The target market is incredibly broad, capturing mass market consumers of every age group while shifting rapidly towards health and nutrition-conscious segment. Because of its immense global size and prominent market position, Nestle business performance relies entirely on operational excellence.
So Nestle Malaysia manage a highly integrated supply chain system to ensure that products are delivered efficiently from suppliers to consumers. The company combines sourcing, procurement, logistics, warehousing, and distribution activities to maintain product quality and operational efficiency. As one of the leading food and beverages manufacturers in Malaysia, Nestle relies on both local and international suppliers while utilizing digital technologies to improve supply chain visibility and performance. This allows the company to meet customer demand effectively while maintaining a competitive position in the market. Next, 2.1 Sourcing and Procurement. Nestle Malaysia selects suppliers based on quality, food safety, sustainability, and also ethical practices. The company follows the Nestle Responsible Sourcing Standard and uses digital procurement system to improve efficiency, monitor suppliers, and also ensure reliable raw material supply. For logistic management, Nestle Malaysia uses an efficient logistic system with road transportation and third-party logistic providers to distribute products nationwide. Its warehouses and distribution channels help maintain inventory, ensure timely delivery, and also improve customer satisfaction.
Continue to supply chain strategy, Nestle Malaysia adopts a several supply chain strategy to improve efficiency and competitiveness. The lean supply chain strategy helps reduce waste and optimizing resources, leading to lower operating costs. Then the just-in-time strategy ensures that raw material arrive when only needed, reducing inventory holding costs and minimize waste. Then the agile supply chain allows Nestle to quickly respond to changing market demand. In addition, the sustainable supply chain practices support responsible sourcing and eco-friendly packaging, while digital technologies improve decision-making and operational efficiency. For inventory management, Nestle manages three main types of inventory, which is raw material, work in progress, and finished good. Raw material includes coffee beans, cocoa, milk, sugar, and packaging materials. Work in progress refers to products are still being processed, while finished good includes products such as Milo, Kit Kat, Nescafe, and Maggi that are ready for sale. This effective management ensures product availability and smooth production operation.
Next, I will explain the inventory control technique used by the Nestle Malaysia. First of all, Nestle uses ABC analysis to classify inventory according to its importance and value. High-value raw materials such as cocoa beans, coffee beans, and fresh meat are categorized as Class A item. These items receive stricter monitoring because they have a significant impact on production costs. Meanwhile, lower-value items such as sugar and packaging materials are categorized used under Class B and also the Class C, allowing the company to manage them more efficiently. Next, Nestle applies the just-in-time inventory system. Under this approach, raw materials are delivered only when they are needed for production. This is particularly used for perishable material such as fresh meat because it helps reduce storage costs and prevent spoilage. As a result, Nestle can maintain efficiency while minimize waste. Technique is safety stock. Nestle keeps a certain amount of extra inventory as a buffer against unexpected situations such as sudden increases in demand or supply disruption. For example, popular products like Milo and Maggi may experience higher demand during festive season, so safety stock helps ensure that product remains available to the customer. And the last one is Nestle use a demand-driven EOQ approach supported by data analytics and demand forecasting tools. By analyzing historical sales data and market trends, the company can determine the optimal inventory level and order quantity. This also can help balance inventory holding costs while ensuring customer demand can be met effectively. So overall, these inventory control techniques can help Nestle to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain product availability across its supply chain.
Next, for the technology in the inventory management, firstly, Nestle utilizes the SAP and ERP system. These act as the company's operational brain, linking procurement, manufacturing, and sales data globally. Because of this, managers see stock level updates in real time, preventing unexpected shortage. Second, within their smart factories and distribution centers, Nestle pairs sophisticated warehouse management system with barcode and RFID tracking. Every pallet of Milo or Nescafe has a unique digital ID. This allowed Nestle to automatically track batch number and enforce a first expired, first out system, which drastically cut down on food expiration waste. Finally, Nestle integrates AI for advanced demand forecasting by analyzing past data and weather pattern, the AI accurately predicts exactly how much stock the retailer will need, allowing Nestle to adjust production before a bottleneck ever happens.
Okay, next, I will explain for decision-making models in supply chain. Nestle uses decision-making models to manage its global supply chain efficiently. The company carefully selects suppliers based on quality, reliability, cost efficiency, and sustainability standards. This helps ensure a continuous supply of high-quality raw materials. In addition, Nestle makes transportation decisions by choosing suitable logistic methods such as road, sea, rail, and air transportation to balance cost and delivery efficiency. Nestle also focused on inventory optimization and demand forecasting. The company used inventory management system and safety stock strategies to prevent stock shortage and overstocking. Furthermore, Nestle applies artificial intelligence and data analytics to analyze sales trends and predict future demand. These decision-making models help improve supply chain efficiency, reduce operational costs, and enhance customer satisfaction.
For the conclusion, based on our analysis, Nestle Malaysia has developed a highly efficient and integrated supply chain system. So the company successfully combines strong supplier relationship, effective logistic operation, advanced inventory management, and also digital technologies to ensure that the product reach customer efficiently and consistently. From this study, we learned that effective supply chain management requires more than just transportation and warehousing. It also involves strategic supplier management, accurate demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and the use of technology to support decision making. To further improve its supply chain performance, Nestle should continue investing in advanced technology such as artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, and real-time monitoring system. And also, strengthening collaboration with local suppliers and expanding sustainability initiative can help to improve supply chain resilience and long-term competitiveness. So overall, Nestle serves as an excellent example of how effective supply chain management can enhance operational efficiency and customer satisfaction and also business performance. That's all from us. Thank you.